Hi, and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atik Masti series.
In this lesson, we will discuss very important concept of Python, which is Python loops. Loops are very important in every programming language. With the help of loops, we can repeat a single statement or group of statements for multiple times. In Python, we have two basic types of loops, while and for. Before starting while loop, I will discuss why we need loops. With the help of example, we will understand the importance of loop. See here, I want to print hello Atif for multiple times. And without loop, I must have to write print statement for multiple times. If I want to print hello Atif for 5 times, then I must use 5 print statements. But with the help of loop, we can easily, with single statement, print any statement for multiple times. Now we will start while loop, and then we will discuss above example with while loop. With while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. We can say that with the help of while loop, we can execute multiple statements as long as our condition is true. When the condition is false, then loop will terminate. And see here the syntax of while loop. First of all, we will initialize a variable, and then as if we will check the condition, and see here we terminate the condition with colon, and see here after colon the body of while loop will start. And see here in while loop we will execute multiple statements, but after the statement we will write here increment or decrement in the variable that is we initialized above the while loop. And see here with example we will understand easily. Now I want to print hello Atif for 5 times, and see here I will initialize a variable I with 0, and then with while I will check the condition. As long as I is less than equal to 4, this statement print hello Atif will print it. And see here after the statement I will use increment operator, and with the help of increment I will just add 1 in I after the execution of every statement. And see here the result. But you have to remember one thing very important. If you will not use increment condition, increment statement, and see here what will happen. The loop will continue infinitely because the value of I will remain equal to 0, and it always be less than 4, and the condition will always be true. That's why this loop continue infinitely, and that's why it is very important to write here increment. Now we will learn more example about while loop. Now I want to print 0 to 10 numbers, and see here I will initialize a variable with 0, and then in condition I will check I less than equal to 10. As long as I less than equal to 10, it will print the I. First I have 0, that's why it print 0. Then increment it with 1 and it return 1, and then again increment it with 1, then it returns 2, and up to so on. Now we will learn very important concept, while else. As if we use else with while loop. See here, I want to print 6 number from 0 to 6, and then while I will check the condition. As long as I is less than equal to 5, it will print the I, and see here it returns 0 to 5, which is equal to 6 numbers. And see here, when 6 comes, it breaks the loop because 6 is greater than 5 and the condition will fall, and when condition will fall, it execute the else part and it will print condition is false. And then see here, I use fstring method, and with the help of fstring method we can place any variable inside the string with the help of curly braces. And next we will learn how to start a loop and end loop by taking the input from the user. We will take starting value and ending value from the user. And see here, with input method we will take starting value, which is I, and then with input method we will take a value which is ending, and with the help of int we will convert the string into int. And see here, with while we will check the condition. As long as I is less than equal to n, then print I. And in else part, when the value of I is greater than n, then it will terminate the loop. And see here, 3 for starting and 6 for ending. And see here, it returns 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then 7. See here, 7 is greater than 6 because user entered 6 as endpoint. That's why when 7 comes, the loop terminated. Now we will learn how to use while loop with list. With the help of while loop we can access each element of the list. See here, when I discuss list, we learn that to access any value of list we will use index. See here, I forgot to write here the name of list. See here, it returns A. With the help of index we can access any element of the list, but with the help of loop we can access all the value of list one by one. See here, I started loop from 0 and then I checked I. When I is less than len function is used to check the length, and this condition will check the length of list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And see here, it returns the all elements of the list. And also we can use loop for tuples, and same as above, we can use while loop to access the each element of tuple. And see here, I use this operator, and also we can write this I is equal to I plus 1. And now we will learn about infinite loops. We can use while loop as a infinite. Mostly we use infinite loop in games. And see here how to use infinite loop. See here, I started the loop by initializing a variable with 0, and then see here, I check the condition I is less than 4, and then print I am infinite loop. And see here, I do not write here increment operator, and this loop will run infinitely. See here. Now see here, we can use boolean operators. True, if while is true, then it will run infinitely. And see here, if while is 1 and which is equal to boolean value true, and it will also run for infinitely. In this video, we have learned about loops and particularly while loops with some very basic examples. In next video, we will learn about for loop. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel and like and share my video with your friends. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you get notified when I update a video.
Stay
Thank you
tuned.
so much
We'll be
for
right back.